Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. In this episode of Between Two Fish, Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. Talking about forbearances today and foreclosures. Of course, you've heard me say a million times, just because you're in forbearance doesn't mean you're going to foreclosure. I talk to clients all the time who say, Phil, I'm in forbearance. Can I still refinance? No. They say, oh, this call center person told me I didn't have to make my payments. Everything would be fine. I wouldn't have any issues. So yeah, okay. You don't have late payments on your credit, but the forbearance is there. So now we're in October. You've got to pay your October payment, your November payment, your December payment, 3 payments, and then you can refinance. Then you can buy another property. So yeah, there are negative repercussions, but a lot of these people can afford their mortgage. They're just taking the free ride, which is not the purpose of it. There's a ton of videos of me talking about that. So what's happening now? The Ohio Senator Sherrod Brown is coming after Kathy Kraninger from the CFPB. He is a Democrat. Democrats are against the CFPB as it is right now under Trump, and the Republicans were against the CFPB the way it was under Obama. Just typical politics. But either way, Senator Brown is saying that he doesn't believe there's enough protections in place for the consumers, for the individuals who could possibly go into foreclosure, and that the CFPB is protecting more the corporations, the big lenders. I don't fully agree with that. I understand where he's coming from. Yes, there should be some protections in place due to the pandemic, but when the housing market crashed, were there protections in place for people going into foreclosure? Not really. You could modify your loan, but hey, you had to be behind on your payments. So if you're behind on your payments, you're messing up your credit and there's no guarantee of modification. That's what we went through 12 years ago. And I don't know if we should go through that again. I think if you can no longer pay your mortgage, you need to sell. There's record equity in this country. More people than ever have equity in their home, a ton of equity. Sell your house if you can't afford it and go rent somewhere. Don't go into foreclosure. I don't think we need any further protections after the CARES Act. Of course, this is not stating that if a resurgence shuts down the economy again, which I also disagree with that, then I think, yes, we should allow for more forbearance time or anything like that. But if the economy stays open, let it stay open. If people go into foreclosure, that is their choice at this point because they can sell, they can find other ways to work on this. That's the news on that. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd. Thanks.